मरे 7 न्हू आमकां अपेक्षा आहा 10 पडत 7 कित्याक आज चिंतो न्हू आतां सद्या जें शासन चल्लां जें गुंडाराज चल्लां हेजेर ते 33 जाण खुशाल आहाय काय कितें जो प्रश्न जाता ज्या पद्दतीन मंत्री आमदार झगडटा सगळो राग आज ते भायर काडले अशें दिसता.
तेंचे वटेच्यान क्रॉस वोटिंग जातलें म्हणटा तुमी?
क्रॉस वोटिंगचं डिव्हिजन आमकां दिसता उबो रावतलें म्हणून. कित्याक ज्या पद्दतीन आज हें गुंडाराज गोंयांत चल्ला खास करून इफ यू लुक द पुलीस आर ग्राइंडिंग द कॉमन मॅन दे आर ग्राइंडिंग आनीक गुंडाज आर रुलिंग द पुलीस. जेन्ना गुंडाज आर रुलिंग द पुलीस इफ यू लुक the way law and order has been collapsed in the state of Goa, the way administration has failed. आमकां ह्या विधानसभेन जे प्रॉमिस दिलेले सगळ्यो फोटाश्यो and all these lies म्हाका दिसता are exposed by the media itself. So today we expect the ruling members as well to stand up in support of the opposition. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा they might be in majority inside the house in terms of numbers, basically 33. This is a political murder. Buying and selling in the political market has happened here. But outside this house, we are in the majority. We are 63%. So with people, लोक चड आमचे हाडले आहा. हें म्हाका दिसता स्पिकरांनी लक्ष घेवपाक जाय आनी हेजे मुखार म्हाका दिसता एज अ कस्टोडियन ऑफ द हाऊस whoever is elected as the speaker should basically maintain neutrality. जे प्रश्न ST समाजा विरुद्ध जावं कॉमन मॅना विरुद्ध जेन्ना आमी रेज करता these questions आमकां टायम दिवपाक जाय. whoever might be the speaker आमची अपेक्षा आहा की adequate time to the opposition to raise the questions. एक इक्वेलिटी आसपाक जाय. सस्पेन्शन ऑफ रूल आज सस्पेन्शन ऑफ रूल करता फाल्यां करता हे डिक्टेटोरियल म्हाका दिसता हें बंद जावपाक जाय. दोळे मारपाचें बंद जावपाक जाय. हात हालोवपा बंद जावपाक जाय. हें सगळें न्यू जें घडलेलें पयलें हें सगळें चेंज जातलें म्हूण आमकां अपेक्षा. कित्याक आमकां अपेक्षा की एल्टन डिकोस्टा इज अ न्यूट्रल कॅन्डिडेट पुट बाय दी opposition and definitely the ruling has to also support.
Yuri, one more thing is that how much confident you are that जेन्ना तुम्ही 7 जाण आसा तुमचे 7 जाण तुमच्या बराबर म्हणजे 6 जाण तूं डिगून धरून 7 जाण सगळे तुम्ही बराबर आहा म्हणून एका
खूंय बराबर आहा.
हिंगा आतां आयज जालें
हो प्रश्न तूं मागीर मुको विचार मरे. हांवें सांगिल्लें तुका 7 न्हय 10 जावपाक शकताय.
मायनस जाल्यार
मायनस ते खोटो न्हू तुका आतां कितें जाता तें खोटो न्हू. प्रपोजल कोणान गायल्ले कोण सेकंडर आय कोण सगळें खोटो तुका आनी 3 माय जावपाचें.
पॉवर मिनिस्टरान सांगलें की दसऱ्या उपरांत इलेक्ट्रीक फेअर ते वाडटाले. हाव यू रिएक्ट?
सी ते स्मार्ट मिटराचे आमी उलयले. पॉवर मिनिस्टर आमी सांगलेलें की बेजिकली 900 odd crores of these smart meters that has been put on the public within 8 years. रिकवरी एक स्मार्ट मीटर घातले उनके वाडयतले. So this is basically expected from this government. First of all, the tender 450 कोटीचो आशिल्लो that went to 130% ते बीड जाले. It went much beyond. So these people, they are not worried about the common man. Power minister or all the other minister or the chief minister, they are not worried about what the common man faces. तांकां म्हारगाय वाडोवपाक जाय. रिकवरी जी इतली कोट्यांनी करपाक जाय ती रिकवरी करपाक म्हाका दिसता तांकां एक दम ना. सो म्हाका दिसता हूंय ना हूंय हो सरकार जो फेल जायत आसा आनी BJP म्हाका दिसता लोकांनी एक डिसिजन घेतला घरांत हाडपाचो. सून यू वील सी दीस डिसिजन्स कमिंग टू. उलयला हांव स्पिकरा इलेक्शनाचे उलयला. सो इतले तुमी एक there could be a surprise, but we are confident that the opposition are united and the ruling members also have to will vote or come in support of the opposition because of the failing law and order situation. Failing जे थिंगा गेल्ले 8 दिसां जे घातकी गेल्ले ते घातकी म्हाका दिसता आज खुशाल नाय. कित्याक थोडे म्हणटाय दाम सारको ना दम सारको ना. बम सारी काय कोणाक गेलो कितें आनी सारकें
त्याप्रमाणे काल तुमचे नॅशनल टीव्हीचे नाव लिहिलेलं असताना तुम्ही केलं असतील एरिया फ्रॉम सो फेमस ऑन नॅशनल टीव्ही.
And see, it is our duty to raise issues. Whatever happens, I believe that I purely believe on merit. I've been a first-time MLA, and I've been something who's come in the house, who's performed, studied the subjects well. I cannot comment on myself. It is for the people to comment on the work that I have done. It is for my people of my constituency to look at the work that I have done, and the people of Goa to look.
Your opposition MLA are claiming that minister with involvement, ruling minister with involvement in that.
See, I have always said that without the involvement of a politician, without the involvement of the police, can such a crime be committed? Without the involvement, you all also know it. So the police has said that they would investigate. They had given us a fixed period of time. They arrested certain individual. But who's the mastermind has to be brought out. Who was the mastermind to do it? Who was these videos being sent? There are several questions that today activists, politicians in the opposition are asking, that who is this person? According to us, it is very simple logic that this cannot be done without the political nexus, without the police criminal nexus. They have been given, I have said that हे पण अरेस्ट केला हांकां पिलूक मान आपयले ये आनी जेन्ना भायर सोदताले मातशें आलोत भायर सोदताले. So today, how is this case going to be in the court? What evidence will be provided? A lot of technical things. Today it should not be made a joke. कित्याक हे जरी तर आज एक डेमोक्रेसीची जी हत्या जाता, एक डेमोक्रेसीची हत्या ज्या पद्धतीन रामा काणकोणकर टुडे इज ऑलमोस्ट कांट सी इन हिज राइट आय, डॅमेज ऑलमोस्ट इन हिज ब्रेन, मेमरी ताका प्रॉब्लम जाता, सिरियस इंजरीज. So who has to pay for it? This is a direct hit on every गोंयकार. आनीक म्हाका दिसता की इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जरी तर हे सारखे करिनाय, then you will see in days to come how this agitation goes.
सीएम म्हणतात तुमच्याकडे प्रूफ आलं, तुम्ही प्रूफ दाखवा म्हणतात कोणी मिनिस्टर इन्वॉल्व आहा.
कितें आहा मरे, कोण मिनिस्टर इन्वॉल्व आहा, केसले कोणान फोन मारले, कोण तेंचे बारा फोटोचे दिसती पडे, हे सगळे पब्लीक डोमेनान आसा. It is an intelligence failure. I am not a police inspector to investigate this. It is the duty of the Home Minister. He should himself know of why such crimes are happening. It is then ruling on. We will show how to stop this political nexus. In fact, this gangster ज्या पद्धतीन येताय गोंयांत, ज्या पद्धतीन crime करून, look at the prevention, look at the conviction rate, the lowest in the country. So all this, if you see, poor charge sheets, सारखे witness investigation जायना. So all these criminals understand सुट्टले मोदे, कोर्ट तेंका बेल दितले काबार मागी. हे कोताय कितें जाते? Because they are being given this political patronage, and in the future I believe this is a सारखे murder of democracy, of our rights to curtail. तूं पावर आल्या कितें करपी? फाल गुंडा घातले, killing जातले, murder जातले. Where are we heading? So it is for the Chief Minister to look at it. It is a failure on the Department of the Home Ministry, failure on part of the Chief Minister of the rising crimes, murders, rapes. It's all collectively done. हे मागीर चोयल्यार डेटा चोयल्यार वाडत आसा. हांवें मुखेलमंत्री की म्हणटा अवेरनेस क्रिएट केलो. हेसले अवेरनेसो मार्ग न्हू बारीक एक मान. एंड द अटॅक ऑन रामा काणकोण, whether you agree to his view or don't agree, that is not the problem. But democracy, everyone has a right to speak. Everyone has a right to speak. आणि हे तुझे हाल पत्रकार तुम सेफ आहे मग किती सांगत आता? हे गोंयांत कोणू सेफ ना, फकत अदानी सेफ है.